Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add an existing form on Jotform to Weebly. This is incredibly useful if you've already created forms in Jotform and want to seamlessly integrate them into your Weebly website without rebuilding everything from scratch. Let's dive right in. First, open your browser and navigate to Weebly.com. Once you're there, log into your Weebly account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your homepage where you can manage all your websites and settings. Now take a look at the left side menu. You'll see an option labeled Website, so go ahead and click on it. Under Website, you'll notice an option that says Edit Site. Click on that to proceed. This will show you all the websites currently associated with your Weebly account. From here, choose the specific website you want to edit. Once you've selected it, look over to the right side of the screen where you'll find an Edit button. Click on it, and you'll be taken directly to the editor page for that website. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to designing and customizing your site. Once you're on the editor page, direct your attention to the top menu bar and click on Apps. This action will take you to the Weebly App Center, where you can browse and add various third-party integrations to enhance your website's functionality. In the App Center, use the search bar to type in Jotform. When it appears in the search results, click on it. You'll then see an option to add the app, so click that. After adding it, you'll need to click Connect to link your Jotform account with Weebly. This connection is essential for accessing your existing forms. Now go back to the editor page. Make sure you're on the Build tab in the top menu, as this is where you'll be able to drag and drop elements into your website layout. On the left side menu, scroll down until you find Installed Apps. This section displays all the apps you've added to your Weebly site. You should now see Jotform listed there. Simply click on the Jotform element and drag it onto your website wherever you want the form to appear. This drag and drop functionality makes it super easy to position elements exactly where you need them. After placing the Jotform element on your page, click on it. A pop-up will appear prompting you to select a form. Here you'll see a list of all your existing forms from your Jotform account. Browse through them and click on the form you want to add to your website. Finally, click Add Form to confirm your selection. Your existing Jotform will now be embedded on your Weebly site, allowing visitors to fill it out directly from your web page. And that's it. You've successfully integrated your existing Jotform into your Weebly website. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.